Natural spring of waters, free birds creeping, jaw-dropping sea of clouds, wake you up every morning with a fresh breeze, haven of abundance of natural resources. From the untouched forest and its features of the wild, gives life to the green rice fields. And banana plantation, with natural industries that creates more jobs to the community, and fun and excitement to both local and foreign tourists, enjoying the relaxing cold and hot springs, taking the adventure of the mountain waterfalls, open to all tourists who desires to relax and indulge the current of the waters. Its wide and organized marketplace showcases the town's plentiful resources. Hence, fully supported by the municipal local government unit of the town and the provincial government of Davao del Sur. Besides, its rich Mansaka culture is highlighted in all festivities, which their native practices are well preserved. Truly, the town preserves the past and nourishes the future. This is Maragusan, the Valley of Nature and Golden Opportunity.